What is good, YouTube? See our trades over here. This is episode 15, and yeah, yesterday I didn't take any trade, and today's Tuesday, so I'm hoping we'll catch a trade. If it doesn't come, we don't trade. If it comes, we trade. So yeah, I'm on the walk. So yeah, tango. Hey, what is good, YouTube? See our trades over here, and this is episode 15. Yeah, it's episode 15, and I want to start by giving a shout out to all those that subscribed. Wow, we are on 52 subscribers as of today, and my target for this is to reach at least 100 subscribers by the end of this year. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that like, comment, and subscribe and be part of the family. So guys, with that being said, let me just go on my chart and show you what is it that I'm looking forward to today. So yeah, I'm gonna start on Gemini 30. Let's start on Gemini 30. So yesterday I didn't take any trade. So yeah, as you can see, this is where we are. Let me start on there for our time frame. As you can see, this is the area of interest over here. What I like to do is I like to do this. I call them the rulers, and I came with the word today. So I call them the rulers, making sure like, okay, how do I use them? Like, is to make sure that the zone where the support and resistance, which are my areas of interest, are the areas whereby price did reject in the past, you know. So that gives me like an idea like they are strong, they can hold up, and price can either reject or retest on it and then give me a proper direction of the price, right? So this is what I like to do. And okay, the last one, okay, so then I do like I come back. It's like, okay, this is the area that I saw on a lower time frame. Well, then I do my rulers, and then I come back and see if it's a very strong zone. As you can see, price has been rejecting a couple of times over there. As you can see, price came rejected. Even over here, as you can see, price was rejecting over this area over here, came retested, went up. As you can see, even here, it's been rejecting a couple of times. As you can see, came below, rejected. So now, as you can see, price wants to come to this area. So what am I gonna be looking for? I'm gonna be looking for buying opportunities, right? And you saw on Gemini 30 we've been bullish on almost all of my assets that I trade. They have been bullish, and as you can see, yesterday we've been pushing furthermore to the upside. When the thing that I was looking forward to today was to see price pull back into this area like it did, or like as you can see, came back, broke up below, retest, and then push furthermore to the downside. Well, then I was looking forward for price to pull back into this area again and then give me that at least a proper sell confirmation to target this zone. But then as you can see, it's still dropping down, moving furthermore to the downside. So what I'm anticipating is to see price come back into this area and then give me that proper buy. But if it doesn't respect this one over here, and while I'm targeting this one over here, if it gives me those buying opportunities in there, I'm gonna take it to the upside. But if it actually comes, as you can see, if it moves this way, well, then I'll be looking for selling opportunities once it breaks below this one, and then I'm gonna be waiting for the richest of this zone, and then I'm gonna take it furthermore to the downside. So that is it with Gemini 30. Let's move on to US 30. You saw on US 30 you are at the highest high. Let me show you on your highest high. Let me show you very quick. This was the previous highest high. So now you can see the price is above it. So I'm bullish. I'm looking for more buyers than sellers on US 30 right now. And yeah, what I'm anticipating today is for price to come into this area, give me proper buy entries and target that high over there. As you can see, price rejected nicely over there. You can see rejected once, twice, third time for the third time there. And then yeah, I'm waiting for the pullback into this zone, and once it comes and mitigate this area over here and it gives proper buy entries, then I'm gonna target that high over there. And if it actually breaks this one and it comes back, hey, come here, it comes back into this one, well, I'll be targeting the buys and then go there. But then if it breaks below, well, I'll be like, oh, what are you doing over there? Well, I'll be waiting for what? The pullback into this area. And if I see the pullback and I see a proper confirmation entry for sales, then I'm gonna take sellers. The sales or the short positions once price breaks below retest and give me a proper confirmation. But now I'm bullish. I'm waiting for price to pull back into this area, give me buys, or this one, and then give me buys. So we'll see what happens. Let me fix this. Yeah, sorry. On NAS100, I'm also bullish on it, and you can see we had these nice rejections over here. And what I'm waiting for, price to pull back into this area, give me those proper buys, take it furthermore to the upside. Or if price comes lower to this area, give me proper buys, I'm taking to the upside. It's literally the same thing on every setup. I don't change anything. I don't introduce anything new. I just apply the same thing on each and every asset that I trade. As you can see, it's proper support and resistance, break and retest, proper confirmation entry, and then I'm in it. That's how I trade. That's literally how I trade right now. So if it actually comes, break this below, come to retest this one, and then give me those selling opportunities or proper sell confirmation entry, then I'm gonna enter with those sales and target the lower side of the market and move with it to the up to the downside. If I'm right, well, if I'm wrong, then I will be taken out. That is why we use stop losses. So that is it on NAS100. And then on gold, well, on gold, I think we are also at the all-time high. Yeah, as you can see, and we're breaking above it, as you can see on the daily. On the 4-hour, I think we are there, as you can see there. But you see, the last time it wicked over there. That's the wick there, and then I think the market has the potential to go and mitigate that high. So in that manner, with that being said, I'm looking for buying opportunities on gold. So yeah, guys, as you can see, yesterday I anticipated a price. If price pulls back into this area, well, I'll be looking for buying opportunities and target that the same week that I'm talking about right now. But then by the time the market pulled into this area over here, my data was closed. So the data that I used closes at 7 o'clock. So by the time price came back into this area over here, I was out of the market. And now, as you can see, it continued pushing further more to the upside. Well, what I'm anticipating is to see price pull back into this zone. Hey, this camera, man. Price to pull back into the zone and then target that high or break and retest and then target that high over there. That is it, guys. I'll update you if anything happens. If I catch any trade, and I'll update you. Tango. So guys, as you can see, I'm on Nasdaq and I'm into this trade right now. And as you can see, we had nice rejection over there. False breakout came above, retested, then rejected a couple of times over here. And now you can see how price is rejecting from that area over here. Well, I took a long positions. I took 2 positions of this area on this trade over here. So I'm targeting that high over there. And then I'm thinking, well, maybe I'm gonna close one trade and then let the other one run and lock profits. So it's currently 11:16. So what I'm gonna do is set and forget, and I'll come back at around 2 o'clock or 3 or 5, I don't know, but I will definitely update you with how this trade is going to play out. Now we do what? Set and forget. So guys, as you can see, I'm still in the trade. 2 buys there. It's Nasdaq. As you can see, I'm in $19 profit, $18 profit. So as you can see, it's still running over there. So thanks to the person in the comment section that said I should press Control plus T. I did press it now, and this is the progress. I want it to show like below side, like I want to see them running, but I'll do my own research on the side. But so far so good, at least I can show some profits there. So yeah, I'm gonna continue holding and applying set and forget. It's currently, what time is it? It's 20 to 3. So I'm just gonna hold and set and forget. Tango. So a quick update, guys. As you can see there, we hit the stop loss. So yeah, we'll see again tomorrow how the market goes. But as for today, we took an L. I'll pop up the screenshot over here of the trades. So yeah, there. So yeah, guys, the last update for the video, as you can see, we took this buy right around this area over here, and now as you can see, came back, and yeah, there are the losses. So yeah, this is how we perform today. So yeah, we'll chop it up again tomorrow. Tango.